Well, Olga, you've been really paying close attention to Hurricane ELSA, which is not a hurricane anymore, right? It's going back and forth.
Yes, it just got downgraded to a tropical storm right now with 70-mile-per-hour winds. But yes, very dangerous conditions for Florida. You know, they are bracing for landfall as we head into the morning hours. So there is a look at tropical storm ELSA. You can see that it is moving in a northwesterly direction, expected to make landfall near Tampa Bay again by tomorrow morning, and then it will continue to push up along the Atlantic seaboard into Georgia and the Carolinas as we head into later in the week, but already bringing a lot of rainfall to Florida, especially on the western border as well as the central part of the state. So we are talking heavy rain, some winds, storm surge, life-threatening storm surge about 3 to 5 feet, as well as mudslides and even tornadoes are a threat as well. So dangerous conditions. We'll continue monitoring that for you as we head into tomorrow. But here's a look at temperatures. So for us, a very comfortable evening. It's actually quite warm out there for some areas still in the 70s. We have mid 70s in Van Nuys and Santa Clarita, upper 70s for San Bernardino. And look at those deserts. We are still in the mid 80s in Lancaster. So overall, temperatures are up from where we were yesterday. We'll continue to see the rise in the numbers, especially as we head into those valleys, the Inland Empire, those deserts. So for the Antelope Valley, we already have an excessive heat watch going into effect on Thursday. That continues through Monday night. So we're going to be talking temperatures over 110 degrees. And then for the mountains of Riverside, San Bernardino County into the Coachella Valley, we have the excessive heat watch going into effect on Saturday, continuing through Sunday. That's going to be the peak of the heat there. But any way you look at it, we are talking very hot temperatures over the next several days, all because of this area of high pressure that continues to push west into our area, and that's going to bring us these dangerously hot conditions. So once you combine the heat along with the winds and the dry conditions, very low relative humidity, we are looking at elevated fire danger as well. Already tomorrow, you'll notice a jump in the numbers. We're looking at more of those 90s and triple digits across our region. So some of those hot spots will be Van Nuys at 95. We have 102 expected in Santa Clarita as well as San Bernardino. And then those deserts, 114 expected in Palm Springs, which, by the way, Palm Springs had the hottest June on record. So we'll continue to monitor the heat for you, but take a look at the numbers. Nice and mild along the coast, though, mostly in the 70s for the extended period, 80s for LA Inland Orange County. But as we start getting into those valleys, the Inland Empire, the high desert, that's where we're seeing those 90s, upper 90s and 100s. By the weekend, take a look. High desert, 111 and 112 is what we're expecting. Extreme heat. Pat.
Oh, sounds like it. Thanks so much, Olga.